Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you tap the microphone button, you speak clearly and Copilot just sits there. Or it says, interpret me to talk, but never actually hears you. Or the voice breaks up and becomes unusable. It's especially frustrating when you are paying for the Copilot Pro and the core feature won't work. Voice issues in Copilot are almost always caused by microphone permissions, driver conflicts, or app-specific glitches. The good news is that this is one of the most well-documented problems, with clear fixes that work for most users, according to Microsoft community specialists. Following the right sequence of troubleshooting steps resolves voice issues for about 90% of users. So, let me walk you through exactly how to get Copilot's voice working again, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, check microphone permissions. The most common reason Copilot can't hear you is that it doesn't have permission to access your microphone. This needs to be checked in two places: your system settings and the app itself. So on Windows, you can easily go to Win+I. Then you can access the privacy and security settings. For example, as you see, going all the way here, you will be able to see many options: mobile devices, time language, accounts, apps, whatsoever. We're gonna go all the way to privacy here, then go to speech. You will be able to see online speech recognition using voice for dictation and other apps using Microsoft online speech recognition technology whatsoever. We have the general option as well, and we also have the microphone. Allow apps to access your microphone. If you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your microphone by using these settings on this page. Then you can go to Copilot and activate it, put it on. So basically that's the main idea, since this is the main problem. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.